Hello friends, did you know this bitter vegetable can actually sweeten your health? Today I'll show you the amazing benefits of bitter melon and a simple way to prepare it in the open air when we want to eat it but not safe to cook inside in kitchen due to smoke alarm because cooking particles can trigger smoke alarm. Bitter melon or Karela is packed with nutrients and has been used in traditional remedies for centuries. Whether you are new to bitter melon or already love its unique flavor, this video will show you how to enjoy it while keeping it healthy and delicious. Bitter melon or Karela has many benefits. Bitter melon helps manage blood sugar, contains compounds like charentin and polypeptide that may help lower blood sugar. Rich in vitamins, provide vitamin A and C, folate, iron, potassium and antioxidants. Boost immunity. Vitamin C and antioxidants support the body's defense system. Aids digestion, improves gut health and may help with constipation. Support liver health, helps detoxify the liver and improves its functions. Good for skin. Antioxidants may help reduce acne and improve skin clarity. Weight management. Low in calories may support fat metabolism. Anti-inflammatory may reduce inflammation. Regular and moderate consumption is recommended since bitter melon can be very strong in effect. If you found these bitter melon tips helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy and natural remedies. See you in the next video. Thank you.